the final presentation of Demo Day. Show of hands. How many of you have kids? How many of you have a hard time finding camps and activities for them to do? How many of you worry about where you're sending your kids? There are over 800,000 households in the Triangle, and we're in one of the fastest growing regions. But where do we go as parents to find fun activities that are high quality and safe? That's why I'm excited my teammates and I got to develop an idea that I've had for years in just 2 weeks using Django and Python and Django REST framework. The Little Triangle, a parent-to-parent platform that allows the community to add, rate, and review local businesses and events. And now Sam's going to start us on a journey through the Little Triangle.
Thanks a lot, Ardra. Summer camps, exploring a museum, or horseback riding are an example of a couple of things you might find inside this site. When you think about these things, words like vibrant, colorful, exciting, and fun might come to mind. We wanted to make our site represent the content inside it, and worked really hard to make this site as visually appealing as it is useful. Our landing page has everything our user needs to navigate the site. And bringing in featured content here gives parents the opportunity to learn about new and exciting things in their areas. For the front-end design, we're bringing in Bootstrap along with custom CSS and components from JavaScript libraries. We chose to incorporate icons to deliver a consistent voice across the site, and for our color scheme, we thought it would be fun to use the color codes from the original Crayola 8-box of crayons. I'm going to build an account really quick. Pretty fast at typing. Awesome. Cool. So now that I'm logged in, I don't know exactly what I want to do, but let's check the top rated board. Great. So I'm at the top rated board here. We're transitioning to a directory page where we're delivering a list of over 130 businesses and classes in the Triangle. We're using some of Django's modules to help with the sorting. And you can see on the right side, our results are listed in order of rating. And on the left side, we're bringing them in alphabetical order with the rating right along the right side. Rankings are based on reviews, which we'll see in a second. But right now, I've been really into farms lately, so let's search for farms. Cool. We've got a nice list of farms here, and you can see on the left-hand side, our results have changed as well. Let's go ahead and look at Old Mill Farm. David's going to take us through the next part of this.
So here we have the business detail page with the typical vital info you expect, address, phone number, web page. But how are we getting all of this information? I can tell you we did not have time in 2 weeks to enter this in. So what did we do? We built a program using our REST API and JavaScript and a management command. We scrape disparate resources that are out there for parents. We drop that data into our database, and then we use a different program to convert those addresses into latitude, longitude, and JavaScript to place the map marker that you see there on the right-hand side. Here you can see reviews from other parents, which we have actual users using this right now, or you can leave a review yourself. And who all has been to Old Mill Farm before? 751? I have. I've been to a birthday party there. So let's talk about it. There we go. The staff was friendly and patient, and it was a well-planned program for all ages. And so our review is right there at the top. It was great. And so that was so much fun. We want to see what other upcoming events are happening at Old Mill Farm. And as some of you year-round parents know, Trackout is on the way, so we want to plan around Trackout. Let's check out that event detail page, which uses a similar program to plot the latitude and longitude on the map there on the right-hand side. On this page, we also see the business detail, the parent-rated detail. We see the description of the event, the time of the event, the location of the event, and the appropriate age. Now, my little mouse hand is going to high-five this event. But wait a second, where did that high-five go?
Where does that high-five go? Let's check out my account. There, I got saved so I can check it out later. And you can see my reviews. We haven't checked out that many events yet, though, so let's go back to the index page. We could use the search bar to search through the database's business search engine, or we could click on Find Upcoming Events to see all the events. But I'd like to check out the categories feature of our site and just look at a certain event category. Which one should we choose? Let's try technology. Now we're looking at all of the technology events. We designed our site to be able to select multiple categories, so let's narrow it down further by type, age, and city. Here we're using Django filters to search through choices using iContains and exact searches. Let's layer on another category. Luckily, this one looks pretty good. Let's check this one out further. We can click on more information to go directly to the event site. But what if I'd like to submit an event? We wanted our site to be able to stay fresh with new content. So I can go to the Submit an Event form, very speedily fill it out. It's going to get sent to the little triangle for approval. So for all you parents out there, we designed this with you in mind. There are so many great businesses and activities in the triangle, and now you have a place where you can go and find them. We hope you use it in your search for this summer's camp. See you out there.